shop, they can print 4 different sizes of bond papers a day. Suppose the prices of 4 different sizes of bond papers that taking by random samples of size. In the first step, you compute the population mean. We have the formula of population mean equals to summation of x over n. Para makuha ang population mean, pag-add lahat ito, 25 plus 30 plus 15 plus 10. Then we got a 80. Then divide by 4. Then the population mean is already 20 or 20 pesos. In the second step, you compute the mean of the sample means. You draw the table para makuha natin itong solving. Then the 25, then 30, 25, then 15, then 25, then 10, then 30, and 15, then 30, and 10, then 15, 10. Then add this. Then divide 2. Then 25 plus 30 divided by 2 is equals to 27.5. Then the another is 25 plus 15 divided by 2. 25 plus 15 equals to 40. Then divided by 2 equals to 20. Then another is 25 plus 10 is equals to 35 divided by 2 is equal to 17.5. Then another na naman is 30 plus 15 is equals to 45 plus, divided by 2 is equals to 22.5. Then 30 plus 10 equals to 40 divided by 2 equals to 20. Then 15 plus 10 equals to 25 divided by 2 is equals to 12.5. In the formula of sample mean mx equals to summation of x over n. Then add this, you get the 45. Then solve. 45 divided by 6 equals to, then compute all of this. 27 plus 27.5 plus 20 plus 17.5 plus 22.5 plus 20 plus 12.5. Then you got the 120 divided by 6. Equals of 20. Then they compute the sample mean. We have a formula of sample mean. Sample mean equals of summation of x bar over n. Then, yung sinod natin, siya yung nalagay natin dito. 120 over 6. Then, we got the 20. Then, same by population mean. You can draw the sampling distribution table. The third part, make a sampling distribution table. Then, the F is 12.5 is 1. Then 17.5 is 1. Then the 20 is 2. Then the 22.5 is 1. Then the 27 is 1. They can the 1 over 6, then 1 over 6, then because up to 2 over 6, then 1 over 6, 1 over 6. Then they multiply up this 12.5 over 6. Then 17.5 over 6. Then the 20, you multiply by 2, 40 over 6. Then 22.5 over 6. Then 27.5 over 6. Then the square root of 12.5. 12.5 square root of 2. 156 over 6. Then the another is 17.5 square root of 2. 306.25 over 6. Then 40 square root of 2, 1/6 over 6. Then 22.5 square root, 506.25 over 6. Then the last is 27.5 square root, 756.25 over 6. Then add this. Then 12.5 plus 17.5 plus 40 plus 22.5 plus 27.5 equals to 120. Another one is divide by 6. Then you get the 20. And the same of the population mean and the sample mean. Then the another, you compute this of 156.25 plus 306.25 plus 16 plus 506.25 plus 756.25. You get the 3,325. Then fourth, make a corresponding histogram. Then draw. Then 2 and 1. 2, 1. Then the 12.5. 12.5. Then the 17.5. Then the 20. Then the 22.5. Then 27.5. Then the 12.5 is frequency is 1. Then 17.5 is 1. Then the 20 is get the 2 points. Then 1, then 1. Then the population mean is 20. Then the I is 20. From the fifth, compute the variance of the population mean. Population mean equals of summation cross parenthesis of x squared multiplied by p of x cross parenthesis minus m squared. Then the 554.17, nakuha po natin ito dahil dito. Then the minus of 20 square root. Then the 554.17 minus of square root of 20. Square root of 20 is equals to 400. Then minus.
Wala mi Jason game. Jason game ka rin na pang maluto.
154.17.
Sini sura ng game.
Then, pan 6, we have a compute the variance of sample mean. Variance of sample means equals of variance over n. Then the 154.17. Yun ang nakuha natin dito. Then divide natin sa 6. Divide by 6. 25.60.70. Dahil nag-round up tayo.